I like how we vibing. 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 I like how we vibing.
This video is sponsored by our channel sponsor, which is 015. You can find them on 015.co.za for some premium web hosting from as little as 45 Rand 90 cents. I mean, 45.90. Think about it. That's not a lot. And you will get some premium domains. And I personally would advise you on getting maybe the Supreme or the Executive packs, because it comes with a lot of benefits and a lot more storage. And you can host multiple websites on one package, you know. And this is, since we are talking businesses and growing your businesses, you can actually get your business registered by them. And there's some benefits, you know. You can get a name reservation, company registration, a certificate, income tax number, and you can even get a free.co.za domain if you pick one of the higher packages, or you can get a free QuickBooks subscription for 3 months. For 3 months. Yo, that's nice. You know, that's really, really nice. And if you want a website, they can actually develop a website for you at a very affordable rate of starting from 2,100, excluding VAT, I think. But it's not a lot. Think about it. 2,100. You spend a lot more on other things. But yeah, and once again, executive plans and supreme plans, you literally get free domains. They, for the first year, they are literally out here trying to win you guys over. Anyway, let's continue with the video. Welcome to another episode of Tutorial Tuesday, and we're going to continue the series on QuickBooks Online. And yeah, so we are now here on the the fourth line item, which is dealing with suppliers. So in this video, we're going to create a supplier or a couple of suppliers different ways, and then in the next video we're going to create purchase orders as well as some items, and then the final video in the supplier series will be creating invoices, credit notes, and also making payments. So that's more or less the program that we're going to follow. So let's get started with today's video. So you, unlike customers, you can't add a supplier on the dashboard. You can if you've customized your shortcuts, but I haven't customized my shortcut, so I'm going to do it a little bit differently to how you would do it in any other scenario. So you are literally going to go to expenses and suppliers, and then it will load. You can either import the suppliers, like I said, with that Excel spreadsheet, or you can simply add them manually. If you haven't seen what the Excel spreadsheet looks like, just check out our previous video on customers, adding customers. So here you're gonna add a supplier manually, because that's what we're gonna do. Let me say, let's say last name accounting. The name of the business is Lesejo. I don't know if that's, obviously we're gonna display it by the name of the, and then the address, we're just gonna say Gauteng. Yeah, let's just say revenue. Yeah, here. I'm not gonna add any other. Let's say we've got an arrangement with, let's say we'll pay them after 60 days. You can add the term here. So let's say 60 days. I like 60 days, and we don't have account number. I'm not gonna add it. VAT number, she's registered for VAT. So that's that. Default service, you can make it at here, but we're gonna do it differently. So I'm just gonna leave it as it is, and then I'm gonna press save. And then the next one, you can either add it here, we'll come back to this one, or you can say new. This is really different to how you would do it with the customer. It really is different. But anyway, guess we're not gonna do it that way either. The next way of doing it, well, now that you've added it here, you literally don't have any other choice. But even if you go to expenses, let's see, I want to try something quickly on expenses. No, it's fine. So the only way to add it, I guess this is going to be a short video, is through here. Let's say you've added it, you can add a new supplier here also again. Here, star, let me say Charles. Charles Mbele Services. The name of child, I'm gonna name it that, and I'm gonna say 21. I don't know. Excuse the dogs. These addresses are just fake. They are just for the sake of this video, nothing else, you know. So don't take me on it. They're literally just for the sake of this. And then I'm not gonna import a supplier. Okay, let me just do it here. I think I'd like to have 3. So who am I gonna have? JJ. AJ, if you're watching this, JJ, the consultant, if you're in the market, if you're looking for a property, contact JJ the consultant. Just look for JJ the consultant, you'll find him. That's not his address, by the way. He's not registered for that, so we're just gonna leave him as it is and then press save. So there are our 3 suppliers. We've added our 3 suppliers, so we are ready to get started with the next part of the video. So yeah, so we'll do the next part of the video. In the next video, we're gonna be adding suppliers. We're gonna be adding items, and also doing purchase orders. So that way, you know, you'll get to see how to do purchase orders, just in case a supplier asks you for a PO, you know. So you'll be doing a purchase order, and then yeah, and we'll also do items. So this video was very short. The next one might be a bit longer, but we'll see. Anyway, Thanks for checking out this video. Love, peace, and prosperity. I hope that you enjoy the rest of the season, man. Anyway, check us out. Subscribe. Check us out on Twitter, the Com Clinic. Sere. Check us out on Instagram, the Compliance Clinic. And then, yeah, you know, if you're watching this on YouTube, you've got us on here. LinkedIn, the Compliance Clinic. And obviously our website, mcponline.co.za. So you can check us out there. All of this information will be in the description somewhere here. Yeah. Anyway, peace, love, and prosperity, man.